Imagine a dinosaur that cared for its young. This is Maiasaura, the good mother lizard. Before Maiasaura, dinosaurs were seen as cold-blooded and indifferent. But fossils told a different story, one of community and care. Entire nesting grounds were found, filled with eggshells and baby skeletons, proof of parenting. This discovery changed our view, showing dinosaurs as social animals with families. The good mother lizard gave us a glimpse into the heart of the dinosaur world. So, what did Maiasaura look like? It was a hadrosaur, or duck-billed dinosaur, with a wide, flat beak perfect for snipping tough plants. Behind the beak, hundreds of teeth ground up vegetation, making Maiasaura a highly efficient plant eater. Adults reached about 30 feet long, school bus-sized, and weighed 3 to 4 tons. They walked mostly on 2 legs, but could drop to all 4s to graze. A small, bony crest in front of the eyes may have been used for display or recognition. Maiasaura lived in late Cretaceous Montana, in a lush, seasonal landscape filled with conifers, ferns, and flowering plants. This world teemed with life, and Maiasaura shared it with both friendly and fearsome dinosaurs. The good mother lizard made its home and raised its family in this vibrant environment. It was a gentle giant, perfectly adapted to its world. Maiasaura was a social animal, living in massive herds. Bone beds reveal thousands of individuals together. Herd life offered safety in numbers, confusing predators and providing more eyes to spot danger. Young, teenagers and adults all lived together, showing that the young stayed with the herd long after leaving the nest. The young learned from adults where to find food, how to avoid predators and migration routes. Adults protected the vulnerable, keeping them in the center during danger. Communication was key. Grunts, bellows, and visual cues from their crests kept the herd organized. The herd migrated with the seasons, following food and water. Bone beds may be the result of natural disasters striking during these migrations. These fossil sites give us a rare snapshot of a dinosaur community in action. Life in the herd was dynamic, noisy, and essential for survival. Maiasaura's nests revealed incredible secrets about dinosaur parenting. We found entire colonies, bowl-shaped nests, each holding 30 to 40 eggs, arranged in circles and covered with plants. Inside, tiny skeletons showed hatchlings couldn't walk right away. They needed care. This was proof of real parental care in dinosaurs. Maiasaura changed everything we knew about dinosaur life. Egg Mountain in Montana became famous as the site of the Maiasaura nesting colony. Generations of Maiasaura returned here to lay eggs and raise their young, creating a layered record in the rocks. We found not just nests, but baby skeletons with worn teeth, proof that parents brought food to the nest. This was the first evidence of altricial care, helpless young needing parental feeding in dinosaurs. Egg Mountain was more than a nursery. It was a social hub for the herd. Adults tended nests, guarded the colony and brought food, while others watched for predators. The air would have been filled with the sounds of hungry hatchlings. Egg Mountain was a prehistoric city dedicated to family. It showed us that dinosaurs could build communities around raising the next generation. This discovery redefined what it meant to be a dinosaur parent. A young Maiasaura's life was a journey of rapid growth. Hatchlings were just 14 inches long and completely dependent on their parents. They stayed in the nest for weeks or months, fed by attentive adults. Growth rings in their bones show they grew from a foot to nearly 10 feet in their first year. This explosive growth helped them survive predators and keep up with the herd. Once strong enough, they left the nest but stayed with the herd, learning from adults. Juveniles and adults lived together, showing extended family care. It took 7 to 8 years to reach full size, 30 feet long. Eventually, they returned to Egg Mountain to start the cycle again. Maiasaura's story is one of survival, growth, and family. The discovery of Maiasaura began in the 1970s in Montana's Badlands. A local rock shop owner, Marion Brandvold, found tiny bones, baby dinosaurs. We soon uncovered not just more bones, but entire nests and a full nesting colony. Excavating was delicate work. Baby bones and eggshells are fragile, requiring careful tools and patience. We used microscopes to study bone growth rings, revealing how fast Maiasaura grew. Paleohistology let us see the life history of these animals, turning bones into biographies. Each piece of evidence, nests, eggs, babies, adults, bone beds, fit together like a puzzle. Worn teeth showed babies were fed. Nest spacing showed mothers guarded them. Mixed ages in bone beds showed herds. It was the combination of discoveries at Egg Mountain that revealed the full story. Maiasaura's life came alive through careful science and teamwork. Maiasaura lived in a world filled with other dinosaurs and dangers. The landscape was a mix of forests, plains and rivers, with a seasonal climate driving migrations. Maiasaura shared its home with other plant eaters, hadrosaurs, ankylosaurs, and horned dinosaurs. Each species specialized in different plants, allowing them to coexist. Predators like Daspletosaurus, a fearsome tyrannosaur, hunted the herds, especially targeting the young and weak. Living in large herds was the best defense. Adults could protect the young. Smaller predators like Truden threatened eggs and hatchlings, making nest guarding essential. The world was also home to crocodiles, turtles, fish, and flying pterosaurs. Maiasaura's success was due to its adaptations and its revolutionary family care. Maiasaura is more than just another dinosaur. It's a landmark in science. Its discovery shattered the image of dinosaurs as cold, solitary monsters. Maiasaura proved that some dinosaurs were complex, social animals that cared for their young. This inspired paleontologists to search for social behaviors in other species, sparking a renaissance in dinosaur science. The story of a mother dinosaur feeding her babies is something we can all relate to. It bridges the gap between their world and ours, showing that family and care are ancient survival strategies. Maiasaura's legacy is a story, not just a collection of bones. It tells of herds migrating, communities returning to sacred nesting grounds, and parents dedicated to their young. Dinosaurs could be more than monsters. They could be mothers. Maiasaura reminds us that the past is more wonderful than we ever imagined.